everyone, welcome to Bella Branch TV. Today I have a really fun DIY for teachers. It's that time of year when you want to give your teachers something really cool and want to thank them for all the work they did all throughout the year. So I have some really cool, in fact I have two really cool ideas that your teacher is going to love. You guys ready to get started? Well, let's go. First gift is for the teacher that loves coffee or tea, and everybody loves chocolate. So you're going to take a mug, just find a beautiful mug, and you're going to put it in a cellophane bag, and then you're going to take some chocolate bars, whatever you think your teacher would like. I got 2 truffle chocolate bars, and then I also got a Starbucks card that I'm going to put in there so they can go and pick what they would like. And I put a little flower in there to hold the Starbucks card inside. Then you just take a pretty ribbon, you tie it around there, and then you're going to write a note. And after you write the note, you're going to tie it onto the ribbon. This next gift is a summer thank you, getting your teacher ready for the summer and the beach. First, you're going to find a cute little bin, and I actually got that bin from the dollar store, so it was $1. And then you're going to roll up a towel, and then find this cute little mug that I had, which is like for a latte, and I actually got that one at the dollar store too, and some sunblock. And then another dollar store find, which I had so much fun at the dollar store, was this flower lei, and I put that in there to add color and make it look really festive. And you may want to crumple up some newspaper or paper to put underneath the cup to make it look higher. Next, take a piece of construction paper and mark it 1 inch down, and you're going to cut an inch strip. After you cut your inch strip, you're going to then make your little triangles, because we're going to make a thank you little bunting banner to put on top of your gift. So I made little triangles, and then I wrote thanks, so THANKS. Then you're going to lay some embroidery floss down, and that's about 1.5 feet. And then you're going to flip over your little banner, but you have to do it backwards. So the T is on the far side, and you're going to flip it over. So the T is on one side, S is on the other. And then I'm going to put hot glue on the top of each of the flags and press down on the floss. Just be careful not to burn yourself. And then now we have a thanks banner. And then I took 2 cute little paper straws, and I'm going to wrap those ends around the straw, and that's what's going to hold the banner inside of the towel. And after you finished your cute little banner, you're just going to place it inside the rolled up towel. Well, those were cool. I think those turned out so cute, and I think your teacher will love it. And you guys can use whatever ideas that you can take from my idea and kind of interpret it into whatever style you would like. So like for the little basket that I put together for the kind of summer beach send-off, you guys can kind of pick your own colors. It doesn't have to be a Hawaiian theme. It can be really whatever you want, and you can kind of tailor it to your style and your teacher's style. So I hope you guys love today's DIY, and as always, I love to hear from you guys, and I love to see that you comment, because I get back to every single comment. And also there's going to be another video on the screen, and it's actually a DIY that I gave for a last minute Mother's Day idea, but I think it would also be a fantastic idea for a last minute gift for a teacher gift. So I'm going to stick that out on the also here, so be sure to click on that video. And then if you see the subscribe button, which I know you do, click on subscribe, and I will let you know when new videos come out. And as always, thank you so much, you guys, for supporting my channel. And until next time, bye-bye.